What is that? This one's gonna be real simple and straightforward. This is the most first-person point of view that you can get as a first-person point of view GoPro mount. It is literally between your eyes. It's hard to see around. It's a mouthpiece mount. But for the shots that require this, this is the best solution on the market. Does it look stupid? Yes. Is it mildly uncomfortable after time due to jaw fatigue? Yes. Is the mouthpiece comfortable and it's well built and it's actually pretty soft and it's washable? Yes. So is it for every single shot? Absolutely not. But if you're going to be doing first person shots of like actually shooting stuff, or if you're going to be doing first person shots of driving around or anything else like that that you're going to be doing for a short period of time, like 5 minutes or less to prevent jaw fatigue, yes, this is an excellent option. And it's only $25 on Amazon and it's Prime shipping eligible. I'll put the link down below. Let's take a little bit closer look and then we'll get out of here because this, again, super straightforward. So this literally goes in your mouth and you can flip it around and undermount it. You can breathe through here. It does have a breathing outlet. It'll fog up the back of your GoPro, but I have not had any front lens fogging. You're gonna probably bump your nose on the back of the GoPro. It's kind of weird, but again, it's the best solution for certain problems. It's not a do it for everything. Please don't bring this on a client shoot and ask them to stick this in their mouth. First of all, that's gross. Second of all, that's absurd. Please don't do that. Even if you just brought it out of the wrapper and it's brand new, you better have someone that's down to try some weird stuff for the sake of the shot. But anything for the shot, right? There's really only a couple of other viable first-person options other than this when this is just too much. It's just too much, right? One is that push-up bra style. Everybody hates them. No one likes to wear them. Everyone looks like a goofball, almost as goofy as this. Or to replace that now, I would recommend this. It's a weighted magnetic mount necklace. Video on this coming incredibly soon. I'm actually shooting that right after this, so watch for that one. But really, those upper chest mounts are the only other option, and 9 times out of 10 they're going to work, but this is going to be a requirement for certain scenarios. So link down below. You know what this is. It's a mouthpiece mount. Looks dumb, but it works. And I'm dropping a video on these super cool ND polarizing filters from K&F Concept right after that as well. Trying to get y'all a full GoPro rundown on what I actually take for paid shoots. This one's a weird one. This one's a specialty, doesn't really come out very much mount, but it is what it is, right?